few years back I decided to make hair oil for myself at home, and I have never did it before, and it ended up being a fire hazard where I had to like go out screaming for help from people, and then they came in and they they helped me get rid of the fire. So the thing was, I was trying to boil my oil, and I didn't know oil get caught on fire if it boiled for too long, and it just happened, and luckily I got saved that day. So once everything was sorted and the fire went down, it was a very small fire accident, I would say, because the oil got on fire and then it started burning. It was just on the stove, and then they saved me from it. But still, I thought about how worse it could have been. If I did not get help in the right time, it could have gotten worse. Even the apartment could have burnt, or anything could have happened. It was too scary, and I felt so grateful that day that I came out of it alive, and I had help who saved me. And I am alive. I was grateful that I was alive, and I was grateful that I didn't cause a fire hazard for everybody in the apartment, because it's a 11 or 12 floors apartment. Like, anything could have happened. And I had so much gratitude in my heart for that day that things did not get worse. And that made me question everything in my life, because before that I was this person who was complaining a lot. Like, I studied in good schools and colleges and everything only, but I would think, hey, I could have been in a better place. We could have lived in a better city. I could have studied in a better school. I would always think about all those things. Even though I was not consciously somebody who's constantly complaining, I was not grateful either for all the things that I had in my life. And that day changed everything for me. I started thinking about how much things that I have in my life which I can be grateful for, and which I am not grateful for. You know, Let it be anything, right? Like it might feel very cliche that when I say we have running water in our home, we have clean drinking water, we live in a country where we have at least till the extent some amount of freedom, right? And my parents are healthy, my pet is healthy. When you think about many of these things, you realize how fortunate you are. And I started seeing how fortunate I am to even get the education and all the things, right? Like, it was not like I was trying to count it, but I genuinely started feeling grateful and started having gratitude from my heart. And that changed everything. Let me tell you. So I used to like live in this house, which was a one bedroom house, and it was nice, cute, cozy, and everything. And when my mindset changed, I felt like I started getting better job opportunities, and I was, making more money. I was able to move into a bigger house, which was a four-bedroom house. And I lived there, and it was like really, really amazing. I shared the house with somebody actually, but it was like super, super lovely. The house was, it had plenty of sunlight and everything. And after that, there came a situation where I had to like move houses, and for a week I would cry every evening that I had to move out from that house, because I did so much interior in that house, and that house was like so pretty. And I was like, I'm gonna miss the sunset in this house, I'm gonna miss this house and everything. I felt super sad. Every day I would go out to search for houses, house hunting, and still I would feel bad that I have to leave this place, and I would come back home and cry. And I had to vacate the house around June 30, I guess. And June 28th evening, I saw this house. I had a backup house, by the way. And June 28th evening, I see this house. And in this house, from the living room, I can see the beach. And from my bedroom, I can see the beach. It was a lovely, lovely property. Okay. I mean, it's a very old property. The view is lovely. And I just saw the beach view, and then I decided I'm gonna take this house. And I lived there for 3 years. You won't believe me. Like from a very young age, I had this thing that, like, at some point in my life, I would like to live near beach, and at some point in my life, I would like to um, go live by the beach. I thought maybe by 50, 60, when I get, probably at least at that time, I would be able to do something like that, is what I thought. But when I moved into this house, I think I was pretty young, and it just made me feel so grateful. I thought that, like when I had to move, something bad is going to happen, or I don't know. I mean, I was like, missing to move from that house. I thought like I would miss that house so much. Okay. So when I had to move from my old house, I just felt too sad. But the thing was, it was for the better. And I got to live in this house where every day I can see sunrise, and the views were super amazing. I got to see the most amazing sunrises over the years, and it just was so beautiful. I saw the clouds coming down and the rain getting merged into the ocean. So many beautiful views, beautiful memories, and it was a beautiful, beautiful house. The birds would come and sing around. Like, I had a lot of plants, so that was, like, it was so beautiful. So what I have realized is, when my mindset changed from lack to abundance, when I stopped from, feeling, hey, I don't have enough, or things could be better, from there, when my mindset went into, hey, you know what, like, my life is so amazing, and everything is like going so beautifully, I'm like so blessed to have this life. um when my mindset changed like that, when I genuinely started seeing the blessing in every little thing, I feel my life has become more beautiful. So that came another scenario, I had to move. So now in this house, I have been like living for a year now, and I genuinely am very happy. So I feel every time, whenever you feel like your life is like bringing you a setback or something like that, and when you start feeling grateful for things, I always feel things either change for better, or you already see so many blessings in your life that you are very happy, and happy things follow you, good things happen to you, or maybe because you keep an eye for things, you always see the good, and you generally are very happy. So I feel moving from the lack to abundance or blessing mindset has blessed my life so much. And every time, whenever, like, I go, everybody like go through their own moods, right? So there are times, of course, where I feel like life is so down, not good, or any of those things. But every time I give myself hope, every time I feel, life is so beautiful, and every time I feel life is blessed and I am fortunate, and when I have that gratitude in my life, I have noticed life just gives me more things to be happy about. Hope that makes sense. So there are two things that I would like to end this video with. One is, I don't know, somewhere I'll put an image here. So this image, whenever I see this image reminds me of how our mindset is everything, and how our mindset can make us happy. And the other thing that I have practically like felt in my life experiences, when our mindset changes, our whole life changes. So that's it for today's video, and I encourage you to now think about things that are genuine blessings in your life. Take a moment and appreciate your life for how beautiful it is. Whatever situation we might be in, there might be one or other thing in our life which we are so fortunate for and we are so blessed for. Go and think about that one thing or hundreds of things. It will literally make you feel how beautiful your life is and how blessed your life is. Sending you all so much more blessings from my heart.